I wanted to see if Instagram promotions and ads are actually still working in 2021 and if they're worth it. In this video, I'm going to share with you my results from running 3 different promotions to boost my Instagram page and grow traffic to my channel. The goal of this was to potentially grow some returning followers by having my work be seen by a much larger audience, and also try to have some increased traffic on the channel and maybe reach some new possible subscribers. What's going on? My name's Anthony and welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a great day today. Let's get right into this video, starting with me showing you what I ran for my ads and how long I actually ran them for. The first post that I boosted was a picture of me and Jay Leno. Now this post did very well as soon as I posted it. It was one of my top performing posts for reach, impressions, everything. And the priority on this one was for profile visits. I did this one for $2 a day for 6 days. The next post that I boosted was my photos of the Ford GT, and I did this at $2 a day for 10 days, and I was advertising for website clicks. I figured that this one could be an eye catcher because these photos did very well, and this is the second highest performing post in that past 2-week period. Although looking back now, this doesn't really advertise my channel per se, but it gets my brand out there so people can see my Instagram page and also bring them to my channel to see that I'm more than just car photography. I'm trying to expand both audiences and bring my subscribers to my Instagram and vice versa with my followers to my channel. So the third post that I boosted was actually an older one, but I thought it would give more of an insight to actually see what's included in my channel. And this was a teaser video for the longer form content of the exhaust note on my YouTube channel. And I ran this one for $3 a day for 7 days, advertising for website clicks. So as for the results of these promotions, the Jay Leno post ended up getting 50 likes on it, a little over 1,500 reach, with 60% of that being from the promotion. I only ended up getting 15 promotion taps on it, and about a little over 1,700 impressions, 20 profile visits, and only 4 follows. As for the Ford GT post, this one had 114 likes on it, 6,000 reach, with almost pretty much all of that being from the promotion, 6,700 impressions, 137 website taps, 141 promotion taps. So I'd say this post did pretty well from the promotion. As for the exhaust note teaser one, I actually am very surprised about this one. It only came in with 16 likes, 2,200 reach, 18 promotion taps, 21 website taps, only 4 profile visits, with half of those being from the promotion, and 2,500 impressions, with almost all that being from the promotion as well. As for the channel during that time period between October 3rd and October 13th, my channel got 589 views and I gained 3 subscribers. From that, only 5 of the views actually came from Instagram, but from my almost 7,000 impressions, 16% of them actually came from Instagram as well. So you know what? That means people were still going to the channel, and exposure is still exposure. So I spent a total of $53 between all 3 promotions to gain traffic to the channel and gain traffic to my Instagram feed. Did I actually get an influx of people to come in? No. But here's the thing. I didn't really optimize my posts to the best of my ability to gain people to come to the channel and gain people to come to the Instagram feed. Yes, a picture of Jay Leno and I may be an eye catcher. Jay Leno loves cars, but he is definitely not one. And I'm trying to advertise my car photography and advertise my channel. I'm glad that the Ford GT post actually did well because it actually showcased what my normal feed content is like. But I think it really depends on the content niche that you're in, and make sure that you actually optimize the post to draw people into your content for these promotions. Stories I've heard from many sources are a great way to actually promote your content on Instagram to gain more followers, more reach, and anytime I plan on doing any kind of promotion in the future, I will definitely create a story just for that. I think the algorithm does work, my pictures got out there, but I really just didn't do the best to optimize my posts to really truly showcase my brand. I want to hear from you guys. Comment below if you've ever posted a photo and it did really well on Instagram and you boosted it and it did even better for your account. If you guys haven't followed my Instagram yet, you should definitely go do that before you watch these videos right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, smack that like button and I will see you in the next one.